I am James Jones. I am the Special Mechanical Maintenance for JCPS. Most of the time I come in, I check and see how we are doing on work orders. This time of year we have a lot of boiler failures, so we'll get called that the boilers are giving us an alarm. We have to send somebody out to do it. The extreme cold is a very big concern, and that's why on the other end, the HVAC end of my guys, we're always concerned that the boilers and the temperature of the building is correct. We always run the risk we will lose heat in the building, and if we lose heat in the building, then you run the risk of pipe freezing up. We don't open schools if our guys don't work all those hours and get it done. If you have no heat in the building when you're cold, you can't have schools. I will give all my guys all the credit in the world. I always do. They're the reasons that the department functions and we function so well. You know, you always say about the silent people you don't hear about is, I'm very proud of this, because if you don't hear us and something is wrong, we're doing it right. I am James Jones and I am JCPS.